Hello students, today I am teaching to you the subject of science class 6 chapter 5 separation of substances. In this chapter I already taught about the different methods of separation of substances. In this series today I will teach you one of the important method which is used for the separation of substances, that is distillation. Distillation basically is the combination of two processes, evaporation and condensation. To understand more about the process of distillation, let us see a figure. In this figure, a kettle is put on the burner flame, and this kettle contains a mixture of salt and water. While heating the kettle, what happens? The water present inside the mixture, they get heated and converts into vapor form, and they coming out to the spout of the kettle. Means water is converted into vapor form, which is a gaseous form, and this process, the conversion of water from liquid form to gaseous form, is called evaporation. This process is called evaporation. And during this process, the water in vapor form escape out from the spout of the kettle, and we apply a fry pan in the direction of the water vapor, slightly tilting down it, because the vapor strike to the frying pan surface, it condensed and converted from vapor into the liquid form, and this condensed water is collected into another beaker as shown in this figure. So the conversion of gaseous from water into the liquid form, this is also a process, and this process is called condensation. Thus, we can say that distillation is a process which consists of basically two processes. The first one is evaporation, and the second process is the condensation. And what is the importance of this process? The distillation process is used where one of the substance is volatile in nature and another of the substance is non-volatile in nature. Volatile means the substance which can be disappear, and those substances which cannot be disappear, this type of substance are called non-volatile substance. So the condensation process and the evaporation process comprisely form distillation process, and by the distillation process we can collect both the substance separately, means salt in the kettle and water is obtained, we can obtain in the another beaker. But in case of evaporation, only one substance we can collect inside a porcelain dish, as you see in the last video. But in distillation process, we can collect both the substance in two separate beakers, or one of the substance is in kettle and another is water in another beaker. So it is also a important method for the separation of the substances. And what is the definition of the distillation? The process of heating to form a water vapor and then cooling the hot water vapor to get back liquid. This process is called distillation. The process of heating water to form a water vapor and then get back this water vapor by cooling into again water, this process is called distillation.